In the Indian SUV market, the all-new 2026 Kia Seltos is here to challenge rivals and redefine expectations. From the design perspective, the Seltos now looks sharper and more confident. Its wider tiger nose grille, sculpted LED headlamps, and bold body lines give it a premium and athletic stance, perfect for city streets and highways alike. Inside, Kia has packed the Seltos with features Indian buyers crave. Dual large digital screens, connected car tech, ventilated seats, panoramic sunroof, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. The cabin feels spacious, modern, and user-friendly for daily commutes. Under the hood, the Seltos offers multiple engine options. The 1.5-liter petrol variant delivers around 115 horsepower, paired with manual or CVT, while the turbo petrol 1.4-liter option produces 140 horsepower. Fuel efficiency remains competitive, with the petrol variants giving 16 to 17 kilometers per liter in city highway driving, based on previous generation figures, making it practical for Indian roads. Pricing starts at approximately 11.3 lakh rupees and goes up to 20 lakh rupees, placing it against rivals like the Hyundai Creta, Tata Harrier, MG Astor, and VW Taigun. Kia's strong brand trust, updated tech, and feature-rich package give the Seltos a clear edge. For honest reviews, real comparisons, and Indian market insights, subscribe to TurboXcel and stay ahead in your car buying journey.